everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, I've got a home bargains haul for you today, so let's get straight on. So the first item that I picked up was some shower gel. It's this foam burst one from Imperial Leather. Aren't these just like the best shower gels ever? This is in collab with Skinny Dip, which I know a lot of the really young YouTubers work with, and we couldn't really leave it behind because it's got like rah-rahs all over it. It's got cheaters all over it, and my daughter absolutely loves those. And the scent is vanilla, orchid and jungle flowers. I'm not going to smell it because you know this will make a right mess if I spritz it out here, but I'm sure it'll be lovely. The next item that I got was this Daddy Pig key ring for my daughter. This was only £2.99, which is actually really good. Some of these soft Peppa Pig toys can be really expensive. I then picked up a lovely set of bowls. So I got two of these bowls because I accidentally smashed a couple of ours as we got them out of the cupboard, and I just absolutely love these. So they're like a pink, and they've almost got like a geometric style print on the outside with like a white kind of detail, and then on the inside they're really nice too. So they're grey and white. Will these go with the bowls that we have at the moment? No, because they're plain white, but I thought these would be really nice having cereal out of. I do feel like bowls are a little bit like mugs. They taste better if you've got a nice bowl to eat out of, and if you've got a nice tea, it tastes better if you've got a nice mug, right? So that was my excuse for getting these, and these were only £1.99, so I was really impressed with those. I then picked up some hair products. So I got this shampoo from Herbal Essences. This is the coconut extract one, and it's for dry hair. I wouldn't necessarily say my hair's dry, but it's kind of in the middle, and I love the smell of coconut, so that's why I picked these ones up. I also got the conditioner as well, and they're £1.95 each. And then I have to admit, I've been really lazy with getting my makeup off lately, so I did pick up some wipes. I got some of these Spa Age Reverse with coenzyme Q10. These were £1. I was actually just looking for the normal ones, you know, like the cucumber, the sensitive ones. They come in like green and pink packets, and this blue one as well, but I can't remember what they are, and they're like £2 for £1, but they didn't have any in, so I had to get these instead. But I mean, I'm getting on for nearly 30 now. So I also picked up one of these cheese and broccoli plasters. I really like these, they're really tasty, and if I have one, my daughter really likes pasta too, so she'll tend to have a little bit with me. And this was only 55p, so if you're in a rush for lunch like I am, especially when I'm working from home, these are so handy to have. Talking food, my home bargains has started doing fresh food. To be fair, it's done it for a while, but I don't think all stores do it. But I'd run out of potatoes, so I picked these up. These are just normal white potatoes from the Meadow Hill brand. They were 69p, which I think is pretty good because you get quite a lot of potatoes in there. I can't live without tomatoes. Like, one of my favourite things to have for lunch is just like a cheese and tomato sandwich, or jacket potato with cheese and salad. So I picked up some tomatoes. These were only 69p, and they're massive, and they're also the posh ones. They're on the vine because they do taste better, I think. I don't always go for them, but I thought they're cheap, why not? I've also run out of antibacterial wipes, and luckily they have my favourite wipes in, and they are the Viro Wool ones. So why I like these is because I feel like you can use them in the house because it's got for skin and surfaces, and also I like to keep these in my car, and because it says for skin, I feel like they're nice enough to use on like my daughter's like hands and stuff, particularly if you've been shopping and she's been picking things up. So yeah, you get 70 in each one for £1.50. And then again, I think some people probably find this pretty gross because I know not everybody likes tinned food, and I can be a little bit funny with it. But I did pick up some of the Stag chili con carne. Again, just for a really quick lunch with some microwave rice, or to be honest, a quick dinner. Just when, you know, we're busy, we're going out somewhere, or maybe my hubby plays football. So sometimes I'm left on my own to have dinner, and do you know what? I just don't feel like washing up loads of pots, so stuff like this can come in really handy. I actually realised I picked two more of these wipes up as well. They don't always have them in my home bargain, so when they do, I do tend to stock up. So in total I got 4 packets of those. I also got some Dove baby wipes. We were just running low, and I just feel like you can never have too many wipes when you've got a toddler. These were, I think, £1, so I picked those up. I also picked some of these Dolmio pasta prontos up. I went for the tomato and basil. They did have a tomato and chilli one, but again, I'm not massive on chilli or like hot food. I just can't stomach it. Like, I don't know, I just don't want to be in pain when I'm eating. And even stuff that people don't find very spicy, I find really spicy. So I've gone with the safe option. Also, my daughter will have these. I actually went in for the plain pasta twists, which are amazing if you've got a toddler and they, you know what it's like, they just get hungry like that, like so quick. And my daughter's so impatient when it comes to food. I think it takes after a month, so I can't blame her. But yeah, they take literally like a minute and a half in the microwave, the plain ones do. This one already has the sauce on, and she did have a pack for her supper last night and she really enjoyed them. So yeah, they were £1.30, and again, it's just one of those really easy, convenient foods to have in. I seem to have picked up loads of wipes in this haul, but yeah, I was just running low. I feel like lately, I just keep running out of like all the essentials really quickly, so I feel like I keep going into like Home Bargains and B&M and I can literally not stay on top of it. But I did get some of these mini hand wipes. These are like, I think 69p or 89p. You get like 4 packs. Nice to just keep in the handbag or the baby bag. Yeah, just for cleaning and things, because gosh, when we go out for like a meal, she'll always have pasta and oh god, it just gets messy. Picked up some chewers because I just felt like some sweeties the other day and we didn't have any in at all. Just felt like something fruity. So I think these are raspberry and pineapple, so these should be nice. Again, not had these in years. I feel like every time I go into Home Bargains or like B&M, I always pick up something really retro. And then for £1.50, you would have seen these in my hauls before, but I got the Grey's Cocoa Vanilla. These are my favourite like protein oat boost bar things that they do. They're just so tasty, and they just, I mean, they taste naughty. They're probably not that healthy for you, to be honest, but I feel like it's better than a chocolate bar when I'm craving, you know, when it's work, it's the afternoon, it's tea time, a little bit bored, and you just want a little pick me up. These are perfect. And I also picked up some Knockoff Jaffa cakes. I've had like the Aldi and the Lidl ones and they've always been okay. There's certain foods, isn't there, that you cannot buy the knockoff of. But I feel like Jaffa cakes is okay. These were 79p for 24. So fingers crossed they're nice. Some more wipes, some more pasta. Again, it's one of those things that in, well, the shops where I am, I'm assuming there's just like a lot of people like me, mums with young kids, because like everything that I need just tends to sell out. More cheese and broccoli pasta. And I also got this huge soap. I mean, just look at the colour, it's so pretty. Of course that drew me in. This is Peony Bloom. What I really liked about it was pink, but it wasn't rose. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of rose. It sort of depends what kind it is. If it's like a really sweet rose, I don't mind, but if it's that very strong floral scent, then it's a bit, don't like it. But I remember smelling this in the shop. And yeah, it's so nice. It smells a little bit like Turkish delight actually, which I suppose is a little bit rosy, but this is just, it's very nice. So yeah, and it's a big one, so it will hopefully do 2 refills of my soap dispensers. Then we couldn't walk past the Cocoa Pops because these were like straight in as we went into the store, and I had my daughter in the trolley and this is her favourite cereal. So you know what it's like, if you've got a toddler, you know what it's like. It's just like, I'll give you this to hold, and then she'll be quiet with the first few aisles and we go into the toys. And then if she picks stuff up, I'm having to put stuff back. But yeah, so I got her these, £1.29, and she tends to have a mix of Cocoa Pops in the morning and then Weetabix. We try and do a little bit more Weetabix than Cocoa Pops because these aren't quite as good for her. But yeah, she does like these. And then I did also pick up a toy for Dottie. I feel like I can't go in the shop and get a toy for Lily and not get one for Dottie. So she got a little rubber crocodile thing, which she absolutely loved. It was £1.99 and I picked it up because it felt really sturdy. We went to Home Bargains last night and she has already managed to bite a part of the tail off, which I just don't know how she does it, because honestly it's really thick, like plasticky rubber material. But yeah, she's already managed to do that, so she's enjoyed it. And then I did also pick up my daughter some crayons. Oh my god, she had about 100 crayons that were like, you know, the really skinny ones that were half snap, needed sharpening. She would just tip them out everywhere and they're getting a mess, so I just bought some of the bigger ones because I feel like they'll be less messy. And then finally, of course, going to finish on another snack because I feel like I've bought loads of food at this time. And these are the Belvita with Choco Hazelnut topped biscuits. Oh my goodness, these are amazing. I mean, if you like chocolate like me, especially if you like hazelnut, these are really good breakfast bars. Again, I feel like these sorts of brands sell them as like a morning, you know, I don't want to say healthy, but they kind of sell it, it's like a proper breakfast. And let's be honest, these are actually just biscuits, but I do really like them. So if you do like a snack, again, perfect with like mid-afternoon cup of tea. Yeah, they're just lovely. So these were only 99p. And that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram if you are over there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.